Let's make deep house in the style of cult member. First, we gotta set the tempo to something like 120 BPM and start with a deep kick from my sample pack. Then some claps. Some open hi-hats. And we need another hi-hat here. And another at the downbeat right here. And then some closed hi-hats. Now let's link all these except the kick to a mixer channel and add some reverb. And EQ to cut off the lows. It's also important to add some kind of laser percussion. And some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, The House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now we need a good crunchy bass. For that, I use this preset from my Serum preset pack. I'll cut off the lows from this bass because we're gonna layer another bass for the lows. And let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Now let's layer another bass to this. Sidechain it and take down the highs. Next we need a simple but soft and catchy melody. I'll use shaper box to sidechain this. and just take down the lows. Now let's make some airy pads to match with our melody. Let's just sidechain this and take down the lows. Guys, if you like these presets, check out my Serum preset pack. It contains more than 100 presets which are free for any kind of techno or house genre. The presets are high quality and super affordable, so if you're interested in it, check it out using the link in description. I also use this atmospheric vocal. This sample is in D sharp, so we need to transpose this to F sharp. And let's just sidechain this. At the second half of the drum, let's add some vocals. I can help it. I can. Now we need to totally destroy this vocal. For that, let's use some beat crushing. I can help it. And some distortion. I can help it. Falling in love. I can help it. Falling in love. Another important element is some laser sounds like this. So guys, since the drop is not done, let's move on to the intro and the builder. Let's start with the kick, the atmospheric vocals, the lasers, and the claps after 4 bars. At the next 8 bars, let's use the vocals. And the crash is the transition into the build-up. Moving on to the build-up, let's add all the hi-hats, the bass, and the melody. I'll also create a cutoff formation to the bass using a bus channel like this. Then some build-up drums. And some rises. Now let's just duplicate this and take the drums away from the break. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.